Gusto niyo po bang kumita ng $100 every other 2 days plus other commissions? Well, ang gagawin niyo lang po is manood po kayo at tapusin niyo po itong video ko. Hey mga Mamshies and Papshies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rodeline Clutario, mother of 3 children. Kung bago po kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell button para ma-notify pa po kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko. So for this video, tuturuan ko naman po kayo kung paano po kumita ng $100 every other 2 days plus commission in the comfort of your home. Welcome to my screen. Ano? So, again, paano po tayo kikita ng $100 every other 2 days, no? So, kita ko po ulit sa inyo, no? Review lang po natin. Papunta tayo, syempre, dito sa platform na ito, yung ONLINEJOBS.PH. And again, if you don't have account yet, gawa po kayo ng profile nyo rito, no? Yan, katulad ng sa akin. Yan. And then, nakikita nyo po dito, every day po, nagpo-post ng mga bagong job or bagong hiring dito. Yan. And then, nakikita nyo po dito sa job category, kiklik nyo yan, pipili po kayo dyan kung anong category, yung forte nyo. Yan, basta mag-explore lang po kayo dito, no? Matututo din po kayo. And then, punta po kayo dito sa job subcategory and click nyo tong data entry, no? And then, click search. Yan. So, kapag ginaos nyo po yan, lalabas po dito yung mga hiring. So, yan, katulad po, no? Posted po ito June 25. Yan. Ayan. So, ayan. So, click natin itong isang ito. Yan. Immediate hire. Make fast and easy free money. Yan. So, ang ID proof niya is 30. And salary niya is 100 or 1,000 US dollars per month, no? Bakit yan nilagyan ng plus? Kasi meron pa po ito mga other incentives. So, basahin po natin yung kanyang job overview. Golden work at home opportunity below. Easy work at home golden opportunity. Make $100 plus 2 sales, just be sending emails. You are looking for around 10 hardworking cold emails bees to join our fast-growing #1 team and company. We pay $100 plus 2 sales, and our current cold emails are averaging $100 plus US dollars every other day in the comfort of your own home. Maganda po ito, no? 100% commission. We will pay you plus another pa po. We will pay you $25 if you refer your friend and your friend closest. Yes, very good money and golden opportunity working from home. Yes, this is the quickest, fastest, easiest, simplest, and most legit way to make free money. PPPS, you get to be added to an exclusive Facebook Messenger group with other like-minded friends. Like more friends, we will provide training, plus template, plus everything you need. I-copy po natin yan, no? Makikita natin yung website ng company na ito. Yan. Ayan, no? Yan. Yan. So, ito po. Yan. So, now, hiring. So, ito, marami silang hiring dito, no? So, but first, alamin muna natin, ano ba itong cold email? Yan. So, yung meaning niya, sabi nita, cold email is an unsolicited email that is sent to a receiver without prior contact. It could also be defined as the email equivalent of cold calling. Cold email is a personalized, one-to-one message targeted at a specific individual. Yan. So, meron naman pong format silang ibibigay, no, para hindi na tayo mahirapan pong mag-compose po ng email natin na to be sent to our target people. So, click natin ito para makita natin yung sample po ng cold email. And so, ito po yung sample po ng cold email. Sabi niya, I want to see if you're interested to discuss new and innovative ways. Yan. Companies are using our industry service. And so, ito yung mga sample po ng cold email. Meron pong ipoprovide po yung company na ito na to be sent po doon sa mga targeted na people natin, no? Madali lang po itong job na ito, no? Kaya ano pa pong hinihintay nyo? Yan, gawa na po kayo ng profile nyo dito sa ONLINEJOBS.PH and applyan nyo na po itong job offer na po ito. So, in the comfort of our own home, we will earn $100 every other 2 days, no? Na mako-close po natin. And plus, meron pa po mga commissions na ibibigay sa atin. Ilan po mga mamshes and papshes and my new friends here in YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell button. And please, mag-comment pa po kayo sa mga videos na gusto niyo pa pong matutunan ng mga skills pa sa mga susunod na araw. Bye! I'll see you in my next video.